This is light meter. There is also a setting. How to use the digital depth of field scale. We need to set the focal length and frame size of our camera. The default is 4 frame. That's a 4 frame size of 35mm. But we are using a 50mm lens now. Then we need to modify it. By long pressing the dial. It will enter the ISO adjustment mode. Long press to enter ISO. Then we press this button here. It will enter this setting. Select the lens dot. Then select the 4 frame. Then we select 35mm. Use the dial to adjust it to 50mm. It's now 50mm. Now press the metering button directly and return to the metering interface. Here you can see that it has been changed to 50mm. At this time, the lens focal length of the meter has matched the camera's lens focal length. The front and rear depth of field on both sides has matched the camera's lens focal length. The current depth of field range. How to change the focus distance now. Pressing the dial, don't let go, and rotate the dial. How to use this? I only need the front and rear depth of field, and the back depth of field is clear. Suppose there is a subject behind. And I don't need it to be clear. I want to blur it. This width is about 3 centimeters. The closest focusing distance of our lens is 1 meter. Then we set this. Now we set it to 1 meter. Its depth of field range is from 0.95 meters to 0.05 meters, which is 10 centimeters apart. When I focus on this dial now, the depth of field is 10 centimeters in front and back. It can be covered clearly. The depth of field behind is completely blurred. So I use these parameters to focus and shoot with the parameters of 1 meter. Then I will get the result I want. Some people may ask, why don't I use the depth of field scale on the top? The depth of field scale on the lens. On the depth of field scale, it can't show the exact distance. It can only show a rough distance. When I'm accurate to 10 centimeters or 20 centimeters, it can be used. For SLR cameras, actually, through the viewfinder, you can also see the depth of field of the dial. But if you use a rangefinder, you can see the depth of field preview. The viewfinder has a fixed depth of field.
Nice.